Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades today. And let's dive right into the analysis. And before we begin, a big shout out to the Discord members. A lot of you are signing up for the premium membership. It's 50% off right now. Lots of people seem to be happy. Actually, so a few members, I just want to show you. I'm not going to show his full name. I think I have streamer mode enabled, so I'm just protecting their identity, I guess. But they said for anyone that's crying about the few trades that didn't go well, he's like said since I joined a week ago, his account went from 3,500 to 4,500. And some people have been taking the trades incorrectly. I don't know how. I post them in real time. I guess I just shared the last couple trades. And yes, sometimes when we enter a position, you have to let it work. It goes up and down. But when it goes up, we reap those rewards, right? And we cash in those gains. And I think this was a 100 USDT win, 22%er, quite small win, another small win there. But I think the big winners were where things were quite volatile up here, 44%, another 45%. So we've been killing it lately, and we're gonna continue to do so. But it's just Bitcoin needs to move in order to do that. Right now, it's doing a little bit of consolidation here, right around 70,000. So in my opinion, as if we hold the previous all-time high, we are getting ready and set up to potentially go higher in this wave 3, and we may take off at any moment. But is it possible that we could get one more dip down before that happens? Yeah, it's possible. You could do, you could get a little bit of a deeper wave 2 here, maybe back down to 66,000. I won't discount it, but right now what I see is that the low could be potentially already in with this crash wave correction in ABC fashion, and now we're starting to impulse out already in this wave 1 of wave 3 of 3. So I think this is very bullish. I think we could be getting ready to take off at any moment. And I wouldn't sit on it. So if you guys want to join in the Discord, I post my trades in real time. I just posted my Q1 report on how the portfolio is doing, and we are up over 30%, I believe, or $1,532. So that's not too bad considering it's a small account that we just started with. And I like to do that because small accounts, people feel like they have a chance as well. And like I just showed you, that member is up over $1,000 in 1 week. But yeah, let's keep going here. We'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame. We have a red dot confirming on here, so a tight little momentum wave. But the good thing is that we have some green money flow, and it is increasing towards the upside. So that's the bullish thing about Bitcoin right now. It's got green money flow going for it. Daily time frame, you still got green money flow. You had a red dot, but you negated it. Now the momentum waves are extending higher, showing that Bitcoin should continue to push higher here. Daily time frame here, let's take a look at wave edge. Nothing new on wave edge, but the thing is that the MACD is about to cross back into the green, and this is quite bullish now. So it's a very bullish indicator that Bitcoin might be getting ready for a breakout to new all-time highs. We may tag that $75,000 to $81,000 area as our wave 3 target. We're going to get some consolidation and a sideways correction, and then finally push into the $82,000 to $100,000 target of our larger, fifth wave here that should be finishing. And then maybe then we'll get a correction in Bitcoin, but there is no guarantee of that. The bearish scenario, it to me seems very unlikely at this moment, but I don't want to get too ahead of myself, and then the next day Bitcoin crashes and everyone's like, oh my god, what did he say? So I will just go with the flow right now, just watching the market. I don't have any trades on Bitcoin at the moment, but we are in a few trades on altcoins. The altcoins seem to be getting a little bit of a pop off right now in the after hours, but all things can change, right? It doesn't have to, keep mooning like crazy. Sometimes you could just get some sideways price action. Stock market, we'll cover just a little bit. Bounced back nicely today. So the stocks came back up. Sorry, I'm looking at the Dow Jones. Actually, the only one that didn't move. The Nasdaq, pushing near new all-time highs right now. Russell 2000 getting a very nice bid as well off the lows. If you guys follow me on Hedgeline Trading, I called out the targets on the IWM perfectly, and we tagged the lows, and now we should be off to the races. So I think Bitcoin could very well be off to the races as well. We got through all that data, CPI and PPI, CPI was a disaster. PPI came in to save the day. And now on Friday, we have consumer sentiment. That's basically it. And then we're off to next week again, April 15. We have core retail sales, right? Stuff like that. If you guys want to follow me on Hedgeline Trading, that's where I post all my analysis. All right, let's take a look here and we'll continue on and maybe cover a few more points that I want to talk about. The larger time frames for sure. So, you know, we saw that we had a red dot confirmation on the weekly time frame of a potential high being put in place. But Bitcoin continues to churn higher here. So this to me looks like we're just putting a sideways consolidation before a potentially another big push higher if the stock market will allow it. All right, so if that's, and I mean, you just take a look at what gold and silver is doing. They are pushing to new highs here. I think silver at one point will get a correction. It's getting very long in the tooth right now. But don't get me wrong, I am an extreme bull on silver. If we do get a correction, to me, it's going to be a huge buy to dip opportunity. But yeah, I mean, precious metals are going, so Bitcoin, in my opinion, will technically take off as well. It's looking really good right now. Looking really, really good. Daily and 4-hour time frame are set up for a potential pop off towards the upside. All right, guys, I think that wraps it up for now. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or, you know, come into Discord. There's a free chat, and you guys can come in and chat with me. And, you know, just head over to general chat and you'll be able to ask me questions. And this shows you that just a bunch of people have signed up recently. Congratulations on your membership. But if you guys, wow, there's a lot of people who signed up. But if you guys want to chat, you can always talk to me here, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. All right, have a wonderful weekend, not weekend, but have a wonderful evening, guys, and I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's Friday market recap.